Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Artisans. This video about ankle strap heels, comfortable and high heels with ankle strap heels sometimes contain such as flashing light, color, liquid or even fish materials used to create the heel design include the transparency may be used deceptively with a ballerina style to give the appearance of standing on tip-top, a more romantic style resembling Cinderella glass slipper have been designed for social events such as the prom. The high heel shoes is worn by women countries until he, when high heels come back in style, they worn only by women. Heels come with the advance of technology using a supporting metal shaft or stem embedded into the heels instead of wood or other wicker material that required a wide heel. Italian shoe designer paved the way by inventing the style. Also credited him with inventing the heel, while others credit French fashion designer Heels